Okay guys, so making a little progress on all these little details that need to be taken care of the truck. You notice the hood's open and there is no 2x4 anymore. I got the hood springs installed and there they are. I had to go to the GM dealer, had to order this bolt, and there's another bolt down below that bolts to the fender. They are both different bolts, different sizes. They're kind of a unique bolt. They have a shoulder on them, so they tighten down, but yet there's enough room so that hinge doesn't get pinched and it's able to move. So I had to go to the GM dealer. 4 of those bolts were over $20, so kind of ridiculous for bolts, but I don't know where you're gonna find a bolt with a shoulder like that, so had to go to the GM dealer to get those. The guy actually gave me the hood springs. He said the hood was too heavy. I don't understand what that's all about, but there's the bottom bolt. He said the hood was too heavy for the springs or something, but that side went on okay. There's nothing really in the way. This side kind of became a problem. The hood latch mechanism, or the line that actuates the hood latch, was in the way. I had to pull that down and zip tie it away because it was getting caught by the spring once the hood went down. Also had to trim the back of this electrical center. Had to put a notch in it to allow the spring to go down in there. So I had to take a little bit off of that, and that was pretty much it. Oh yeah, I had to take the corner. I had to clearance this corner a little bit. The guy already made a cut right here for apparently for the fenders. Really jagged. I don't know why he didn't clean that up. But I gotta do some work with this cowl anyway, so I gotta pull all this plastic stuff off. So when I do that, I'll probably clean this up so it's, you know, smooth and stuff. I can't leave a jagged cut like that. I gotta smooth my stuff out, but that's another time when I work on this cowl piece, because I gotta get the cowl piece to match the hood. Right now this hood does not really match the cowl there, so we'll have to do something with that. But like I said, just one more of those little details that's been taken care of. I was just sick of lifting that hood and putting that 2x4 in there. I mean, it was ridiculous. So I had to fix it. One thing you'll notice is there's a little bit of maroon on this hood here, and he only painted part of it. This, I believe, is a 1500 hood. So it's a 1500 hood with like I said, I call it a 427 Corvette scoop molded into it. Okay job. We got a crack going on here that I gotta fix, but I know some people don't really like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but you know, in person it looks a lot better. I know on camera I think it looks a little funny, but in person it looks a lot better. Possibly may get an HD hood for it. We'll see about that maybe later on down the road, because it should have an HD hood, because it's got the HD grill, HD bumper and everything, so it should have an HD hood. But I guess that's gonna do it for this one, guys. One more detail taken care of. I'll see you in the next one.